Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next exercise, that is exercise 3.3. Okay, in the previous lecture we have covered till exercise 3.2. We have covered all the questions. Some questions, some parts of the questions I have given for the homework. And I hope you all are doing all the homework properly in the practice notebook. And then you have to do all the things, all the questions in the fair notebook. Okay, and I hope you are doing for the same. Now the next exercise is 3.3. Question number 1 is find the square root of the following by the long division method. This chapter is based upon squares and square roots. Okay, exercise 3.1 we have done all the question based on the squares. Okay, of the exercise 3.2 we have done questions based upon the square root method. Okay, we have done how to find out the square root. We have done with the prime factorization method, and we have done with the subtraction method. Then we have done the other questions based upon like word problem questions, and then find out the square root with multiplication of smallest number and division of the smallest number. Now this exercise is based upon the square root with the long division method. You have to find out the square root with the long division method. And I hope some students or most of students have done this method earlier in the grade. Okay, those who haven't done this method and or those who are having confusion in this method, I want to tell you with the questions. Okay, just you have to listen and you have to see the steps very carefully, how ma'am is doing and calculating the terms in the long division method. Okay, this method is new for some students, or sometimes students are facing problem in this method. Okay, please listen to me very carefully because this is a different method. Okay, so this is the exercise 3.3 which is based upon the long division method. Question number 1a part is 225. You have to make in this way a symbol in this way. Okay, like the way you are doing, if I'll say you just find out the division of 5 or 25 with 5. Okay, so you are doing in this way, no? Suppose I'm having like 240, okay, and divide with 5. Okay, so you are doing in this way, 5 4s are 20, okay, and then 40, it will go on 5 8s are 40. Okay, in this way, this is your division method. So here is your long, say in this way you are doing your division with this symbol. Okay, in this way you are doing. So this is the method, this is the way to do the long division method. Okay, you have to make in this way, one line here vertical line and one here horizontal line, and this way you have to start the question. You have to write down this 225 inside this symbol. Okay, 225. Now how to start the division? You have to do first of all pairing from the back, from the end point, from the last digit. You have to do pairing of like this 2 and 5, it's one pair. So you have to make a bar here. You have to place a bar. Okay, pairing, make a pairing first of all. One pair, this is single, so make a small bar here. Okay, because whenever we are doing this division, you have to make a bar, you have to place a bar from the back side, from the last digit. Okay, suppose this is a B part. Okay, so this is question is 4 4 8 9. So start from the last digit. Okay, and start making pairing. This is on 89, one pair, make a bar here. 44, next pair, make a bar here. You will not start the pairing from the first digit. You have to start the pairing from the last digit. Here you will not make a pairing from 2 2. No, you have to make pairing from the last digit. 25, and then whatever pairings are pairs will be there. Okay, suppose this is your C part, 3 4 8 1. So from the back side, from the last digit, I'll make pairing. This 81 one pair, 34 next pair, and you have to place a bar. Clear? Now A part is 225. Okay, so I have made a pairing here. 25 one pair, 2 is single, so I'll make here single. Okay, now you have to see this digit. First of all, you have to calculate this. If two digits are there, then you have to see 2 digits. If 1 digit is there, then you have to see 1 digit. Okay, and this you can see only with the help of bars. Okay, now how to start? 2, on which table 2 will go? You will write here the digit, you will write here the same digit you have to write here. 1 ones are 1. Okay, if you write here 2, then 2 twos are 4. It will be bigger, then it will not go. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Whatever number you will write here, same digit you have to write here. 1 ones are 1. Okay, so this is your first step. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now this is your next pair. So you have take out 2 digits directly. You have take out 2 digits directly because this is a one pair. You will not take out single. This is the basic purpose of placing a bar. Why we are placing a bar? Because you have to take two digits directly. Okay, from the question. Okay, now 2 minus 1 1, and now take out 2 and then 5. Now 125 is left. Now see your next step. First step is 1 ones are 1. Second step is you have to add these 2 digits. Okay, now just leave this 5. Okay, 1 plus 1, this 1 and this 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. You have to add whatever numbers are here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now 2 is here. Now you have to multiply 2 with a number. Now you have to place a number here. Okay, whatever number you will place here, same number you have to place here. Whatever numbers you are going to place, no, this side, same number you have to place this side. Like 1 you have placed here, so 1 should be, you have to place 1 here also. 1 ones are 1. No, 1 plus 1 2. Next digit will be, because now my number is 125. If I'll write here 2. Okay, suppose if I'll write here 2 and 2. So 2 multiply by 2. So I will write here 2. But 2 is 1 plus 1 2. Next digit, if I'll write here next digit 2, then I have to place here 2. Okay, then 22 twos are 44. It is very smaller. Then I will place here 3. 23 threes are something else. 24 fours are, it is also lesser. 25 fives are 125. Okay, that's why I have placed here 5. 5 here and 5 here. When I multiply 25 and 5, it will be 125. Now 125 minus 125 is equal to 0. So your answer is this 15. So square root of or under root of 225 is 15. Are you getting it? Okay. Clear now? Okay. Now next question is 4489. This is a different method, long division method. So please see how ma'am is solving the question and what are the steps. Please see to it very carefully. Wherever you are having any doubt, please pause the video and repeat that video once again. Okay. The next is question 4489. So write here 4489. Now from the last digit, start making pairs. 1 pair and then 1 pair. Okay. Now you have to see this 2 digits. Okay. So if I'll write here 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 sixes are 36, 7 sevens are 49. 49 will be bigger. So I will write here 6 and I have to place a 6 here. Whatever digits I'll place this side, same digits I have to place this side. 6 6 are 36. 44 minus 36, it will be 8. 8. Now I have to take two digits directly. I have to take out two digits directly. This is the purpose of placing a bar. Okay, now take out 8 and 9. Now my question is 8 8 9. Okay, now next step is 6 plus 6 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now I have to write one more digit with 12 and then I have to multiply with that same digit. If I'll write here, suppose 1, 2 and 4. Okay, suppose I'll write here 1. I'll do on the other page. Okay, suppose this is your, if I'll 6 6 is 12. Okay, now if I'll write here 1 2 4, then I have to place 4 here. Okay, now 124 4s are 124 4s are 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 and 4 1s are 4. Okay, 496. It is very smaller. Your question is 889. 496 is very smaller. Now I am going to place 126. 126 and then multiply with 6. Whatever number you will place here, same number should you have to place here. Okay, 126 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6 to the 12 and 3 15. Now 1 is carry. 6 1s are 6 and 1 7. 756. It is again smaller. Now I'll place here 7. If I'll place 7 here, then I have to place 7 here also. So 127 7s are 889. So it will directly go on 127 7s are. So your answer is this 67. Okay, so this is your answer. Under root of or square root of 4489, this symbol 4489 is equal to 67. So are you getting? These are the first two parts. Okay, slowly you will able to understand the steps of the long division method. Okay, suppose this is your simple division. Okay, this is your, whatever is your answer, this is your answer is here. Okay, whatever on which table it is going, you are after division, this is your answer. No, you are writing this as an answer. Okay, so same as it is, you have to write whatever is the answer is coming here, you have to write that in the answer. Okay, now see the next part is 3481. Write 3481 here. Okay, now start making pairs from the last digit. 1 pair, 2 pair. Okay, now you have to see now these two digits. It will go on which table? Okay, now 2 2s are 4, no, very smaller. 3 3s are 9, 4 4 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. 6 will be bigger. Okay, if I'll take 6 here, it will be bigger. So I'll take here 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 34 minus 25 is 9. Now take two digits directly from the question, from the statement. Okay, because I have placed bar here, so whatever numbers are there in the bar, whatever digits are there in the bar, you take that digits directly. Okay, now take 981. 981 will be here. Now 5 plus 5 10. Now I have to write which number, by which number I'll multiply and I'll get 981. Okay, if I'll place here suppose 101. 101s are 101, then 102s are, then you have to see that 103, 104, 105, 106. Now I'll write here 109. 109 9s are 981. If I'll write 9 here, then I have to write 9 here also. Okay, I told that whatever number you are writing here, suppose I have written here, this is addition. First number is addition, 1 plus 1 2. Now I'll write here 5, then I have to place 5 here. 6 plus 6 12. Okay, next which number I'll write here, so that I have to write here also 7 and 7. Okay, when I'll multiply 127 with 7, I'll get this. Okay, 5 plus 5 10. Now if I'll write here 9 and I have to place 9 here also, then if I'll go for multiplication, 109 9s are, I'll get 981. So my answer is 59. So under root of 3481 is 59. This is your C part. Clear? Now your F part is 44100. Okay, now I have to write in this like in this way. Okay, the question 44100. Now start making pair from the last digit. One pair, two pair, then third pair is not there, third is single. Okay, third one is single. Now you have to see this digit first of all. It will go on which table? It will go on 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Now take 41 as it is because this is the next pair. So take 41 as it is. Now 2 plus 2, 4. I'll multiply with which number so that I'll get 41? If I'll write here 1 and 1. And I'll multiply 41 ones-a, I'll get 41. 41 ones-a, 41. Now 41 minus 41, 0. Now take these two 0 as it is. Okay, if I'm going to take the next 0 as it is, okay, next digit as it is, so I have to place here 0 because next is 0 0. It will not going in any table, so I have to place 0 here. Okay, for this pair I have to place 0 here. Okay, so your answer is 44100. The square root of this term is 210. Okay, this is your F part. Okay, I'm giving you part number part number D and part number E for the homework. I'm giving you part number D and E for the homework so that you will also go for the practice of this long division method. I'm telling you again and again that this is a different method. Okay, and some students are doing for the first time. Okay, if some students has done this, then it is very good, and if some has done, still they are having some doubt in this long division method. Okay, please read out and study about this method very carefully. Okay, and then go for the practice part. After practice of this method, then go for the fair work. Okay, 1 2 3 4, there 5 6 7, there are 8 part in this first question, 8 parts. Okay, up to C part I have done. Now I have done this F part. Now 2 parts are left, G and H. Now next is G part. Now write down the question. Okay, in this way, start making pairs from the last digit. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Okay, now check it out. This will go on which number? It will go on 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49 will be bigger. So 6 6 are 36. 44 minus 36 is equal to 8. Okay, now take out these two digits as it is. Okay, in the long division method, we will take out, if whatever number are there in the pair, we will take out those two digits directly. We will not take out one digit. In the long division method, we will take out two digits directly. Okay, in place of one digit. So next is 35. So it is 835. The next step is 6 plus 6 is 12. Now I'll multiply with 6 and I'll write here 6 also. Now if I'll multiply 126 6, it will be 756. Okay, and it is smaller than this, so I'll take here 6. If I'll write here 7, then I have to place 7 here. Then it will be bigger number. Okay, so I'll write here 126 6 756. After subtraction, it will be 79. Now take these two digits directly. It will be 7956. Now 126 plus 6. 126 plus 6. Okay, you have to add one digit from here in this. First of all, you have added 6 plus 6 is 12. Now 126 plus second digit. 126 plus 6 is equal to 132. Okay, 132. Now I'll write which digit here so that if I'll multiply with that digit, I'll get 7956. So after my multiplication, it will be 6. So I have to write 1326 and 6 here. because same digits I have to place here and here. So when I'll multiply 1326 multiply with 6, I'll get 7956. Okay, and remainder is 0. Okay, so your answer will be, your square root of this term is equal to 666. 666 is your answer. Got it? Now last part is 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. This is your question. So write here 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Okay, start making pairs from the last digit. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, last is single. So now take this single digit. It will go on which table? 1 ones are 1. Okay, now it will be 0. Okay, now take out 2 digits directly from here. Okay, now 1 plus 1. Just you have to add one digit from here. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now I'll multiply with which number so that I'll get 20 or smaller number than 23. I'll multiply with 21. If I'll write 1 here, then I have to write 1 here also. So 21 ones are 21. Okay, and the remainder is 2. Now take out next 2 digits directly. 243. Now you have to add this 21 plus this next digit. 21 plus 1 is 22. Okay, now 22 I'll multiply with which number so that I'll get a smaller number than 243. I'll write here 1. 221 ones are 221. Okay, now after subtraction I'll get 22. Now I'll take out these 2 digits directly from here. So my question is now 2221. It will go on which table? Now you have to add this full term 221 with the next 1. 221 plus 1, it will be 222. Okay, now I'll multiply with which number so that I'll get 2221. If I'll write here 1 and I'll multiply with 1, I'll get 2221. So I'll write here 1 and I'll write here next one. Okay, so 2221 with multiply with 1, I'll get 2221. Okay, so now my square root of this question is 4 times 1. 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this was the last part. So today I'm doing only first question of this exercise. In this lecture I'm just giving you first question only of this exercise. Okay, rest of the question we'll discuss in the next lecture, because this is a new method for the students. Okay, long division method. Please see to it, please listen to my video on repetition. If you are having any doubt anywhere in any step, in any concept, please go for the video or go for that step 2 times, 3 times. Okay, until you will get the concept. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 parts for the homework. Rest of the parts I have done. Please do it with the same method the way I have done. Okay, and then go for the practice. Okay, and you can do practice of the examples also for your practice purpose, and then go for the fair work. So I'm giving you first question. You have to do this first question in the fair notebook. Clear, all of you? If you're having any doubt, we'll discuss in the doubt clearing class. Okay, so till the time, bye bye and take care, all of you.